Another Suburban update. Haven't had one of those in a while. Got this from a friend of mine. Spent big money on it. Cost me 800 large rifle primers, and if any of y'all reload, you know they ain't cheap now. But I was told it did run. So I need to come across a tank. I can probably make a seat work. And I'm going to see if she'll run, just hang a tank up high and see if she'll eat on some sea foam and a little bit of tranny fluid and non-ethanol gas. Do not ruin your equipment running regular pump gas in it. Everything I got, Farmall Cub, my two SS14s, my SS16 twin, my chainsaws, my push mower, all get non-ethanol gas. So, a little cancer right there. But this is why I picked her up. Let's see if I can turn. There we go. I don't know if we can see in there. Yep, she's Swiss. Tried to engage it last weekend, and well, you know how that goes. So we're gonna give her a shot, see if it'll run. Not today though. I've done enough today.